Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to play Roblox without the app. If you want to play Roblox without the app, you have to follow the steps. Open up your browser. On the web address bar, you want to type in now.gg. This is going to help you out to play game without downloading it or without an application. On the search box, you want to type in Roblox and hit enter. You want to go ahead and locate Roblox, and you just have to go ahead and click open it. It's gonna load up, and that is the simplest way you could play Roblox without an app. So likewise, this is how you could play Roblox without app, or you could also use the browser version. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.